Hey, what's up guys? Everything Apple Pro here. Take 3, so file corrupted. Already have finished the unboxing, but I wanted to take a look at the Apple Watch Series 6 either way. So I've ordered several. My titanium did not come in. Apple said they delivered by Friday. I guess I ordered a few minutes too late and they're showing up super late. But anyways, the Apple Watch Series 6 managed to snag one at the local store in a deep blue or deep navy color. That's what Apple's calling them. So this is the Series 6 44 Deep Navy. Maybe that's what the iPhone 12 will be called, color-wise. Anyways, it's right here. I really like that blue. It's a fantastic sheen. So it's not glossy. It doesn't come on the special editions. I think it looks fantastic with an aluminum finish. So this plus an iPhone 12 with a shiny aluminum, deep navy color is gonna look great. Anyways, real quick, what's going on inside. So the packaging is much thinner. I'd say about 2/3 the thickness of the Apple Watch Series 5. So Apple's starting here, as well as with removing the power block. Now you just get the Apple Watch charger inside, and there's a color-coordinated little paper sleeve. So very eco-friendly, and only to be continued in the iPhone 12 packaging. So I thought that was a nice little precursor to that. Anyways, regarding the hardware, I mean, at first glance, pretty much barely tell them apart. But on the back side, you do have the new blood oxygen sensor here, more busy array on the back. I thought the Series 4 and Series 5 one looked fantastic. This one's even better. So now you have 4 infrared sensors on the back side, which will be measuring your blood oxygen levels, and an optical heart rate sensor on the outside. So on the Apple Watch edition, you do still get the sapphire glass. On the Sport version, you do have Ion X glass. Okay. And yeah, let's go ahead and test out what's new. But color-wise, I don't have the red one on me, but the blue looks great. I like how it adapts to different environments by absorbing the light slightly differently. Looks very, very good, especially with this band. Oh, also I didn't get the solo loop, wasn't able to, but I'm sure that one is quite good based on the reviews. All right, so I've set it up, and one thing that really did not impress me much is the brighter always on display. So when both are activated, displays are the same brightness, but due to the efficiency improvements, battery improvements, whatnot, apparently the always on display is 2.5 times brighter. But was the bar set so low on Series 5 that there's barely an improvement on Series 6? The colors are a little bit richer. It is just a little bit brighter, but I'd say this one is definitely more marketing than actually visible. It's hard to tell the difference. So on a darker watch face here, yeah, the colors are richer on the Series 6, more defined. The grays pop a little bit more, but 2.5 times, man, I don't know. Doesn't seem that much better. Like, if no one told me, I personally would not see the difference on my own here if you didn't specifically say it was 2.5 times brighter. Next up, let's check out the blood oxygen sensor and get a quick reading here. Make sure your watch is not too low on your wrist. So you want it snug here. Keep your watch facing up and try not to move. 15 seconds, and I'll know how saturated my blood is with oxygen. Unsuccessful measurement. This can be caused by motion or tapping your fingers. Another unsuccessful one. Try number 3. I'm sure that it will get better with time. The Series 6 does take readings in the background throughout your day, and I'm at 100%, which is nice. Oh, and by the way, this is not medically endorsed or anything. This is just for health purposes. It's not like the electrocardiogram, which has been approved for usage in many countries. Apple is approaching this one very differently. This is more for fitness purposes than actually diagnosing or treating any disease. And to test the speed, there's really nothing else I can think of besides launching apps. I'm gonna boot these up at the same time, see which one starts up sooner. Otherwise, the design, aside from the backside and the new red or blue colors, are almost identical. Series 6 chip inside. Let's see if that contributes to a faster boot up. 1, 2, 3. And actually almost identical in startup. It's hard for me to believe that it's been 6 years since the original Apple Watch came out. I've been using them every year since, and things have improved immensely. Series 2 was a huge improvement. The original, man, is just terribly slow. Quick speed test, launch a couple apps, 1, 2. Oh, settings open here almost instantly. Music, 1, 2. Definitely more responsive on the Series 6. Weather 1, 2. This one did load first on the Series 6. Overall feels pretty similar. There really aren't many opportunities to push the speed to the limit on an Apple Watch, as long as it delivers my messages and notifications in a timely manner. There it is, guys, the Apple Watch Series 6. It's a great update, great new sensor, same design, slightly brighter display. Again, I think that one is not so much to be excited about as much as the sensor itself. Love the color, by the way. Can't wait until my titanium one comes in. Always happy to unbox new Apple products. Now waiting for the new iPhone 12. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.